Here is my 3D printed contraption for the SCADA mechanism. Super simple, 2 gears and a stepper motor. This is the 5-volt variant of the very popular one. Now, what it has so far is a magnet installed underneath the bigger gear. So here you go. This is going to be used in conjunction with a Hall sensor to measure how many rotations per minute is this actually doing. That's one data point. Second interesting data point will be the correlation between speed and temperature. So I designed a little hole here, and this temperature sensor makes contact with the outer metal shell of the stepper. So hopefully I'll get a decent gauge on the temperature. Not ideal, but it'll do the trick. The third thing I want to add is a electricity monitoring usage module I found and purchased already. It's on the way. So I'll be monitoring the use of this so I can see the spikes when it's most optimal, when it consumes the most. So I'm guessing you'll be able to plot some data together, find correlations and how things interact, like when is the hottest, at what speed, and then how much current does it draw, and voltage, etc., etc., power, sorry. And that will be quite interesting. The other thing I want to add is there'll be another 3D printed element and a little sticking out pole finger, and there'll be a rubber band. So whenever this goes, for example, to this position, there'll be the least amount of extra elastic resistance. When it starts to move over here, the band will start to stretch and the motor will have to work a bit harder. And obviously here will be the maximum stretch of the rubber band, so there'll be some extra feedback and things going on so that someone can investigate. Now all of this is going to be collected using a Arduino for Minima, and this has the RS485 shields. I'll be using Modbus, have some registers, and that will be all collected using one of these for now. And this will act as an IoT gateway later on, super cheap. And if you're really interested, this is the make and model. It's open VRT compatible, works really nicely, you can't go wrong. So yeah, that's the general plan where this is going, and I'm really looking forward to this. So that will be really cool. All the files will be available once I get a general grasp of how I want it to look at the end. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.